Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can block calls on Messenger. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your Messenger app and logged into your account, and once you are on the login or home page of your Messenger, you can see over here your chat box over here. So you have to do is click on the chat, or you can simply scroll to the left, and you can simply do is go to archive, and once I want to unarchive this, and then comes in this page, you will see over here this option over here. So you will see you have to do is scroll to the left, and then you will see over here more option over here. Click on that, and then you will see at the last option, block. Once you click on that, you will never receive any message or calls on this contact and this user. So once you click on that block, it's gonna be blocked. All the necessary things, or messenger, or the calls that you didn't want to receive it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.